want to see my disappointment play over.
Okay, check it out.
I don't want to open it.
All right.
It's in there. Look.
Holy cow.
Both of them. Dad, hold this. I don't want to go in the house. We just have to open it up right now. I got Colin something. Because he wanted one, because Davin broke his last one. Look how big. It's not that big, but it's okay.
But it's smashed.
Do you smell it?
No.
Look how... Look how...
Oh my goodness. What is that?
That's a stack of pancakes.
Don't open it yet.
Why?
Remember, because you gotta
You're dumb.
do like they do on the videos.
Oh my.
Slow rise, Laura.
I can smell it. I just want my peach. My eye bloom peach.
Oh my goodness. No way, it comes in one of those like fruit things.
Look at my hamburger.
Oh. Oh, that's slow rise.
And I got Colin one of these. They were really cheap because they're kind of defected.
Is that like a loaf of French bread or something?
Yeah, a loaf of bread. This is
Hilarious.
and I don't like the smell of it. Feel how soft.
Oh my.
I got another peach! I'm so excited. I can't believe they both came today.
All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.